In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Zoom password. If you've forgotten your Zoom password and you're unable to sign in, don't worry. The reset process is simple, and I'm going to walk you through it clearly so you can get back into your account without confusion. To begin, open your web browser and go to Google. Once Google loads, type in Zoom and search for it. In the search results, look for the official Zoom website and click on it. It's always a good idea to make sure you're opening the correct website so you can safely access your account. When the Zoom homepage opens, find the Sign In option and click on it. This will take you to the login page where you would normally enter your account details. Since the goal here is to reset your password, start by entering the email address connected to your Zoom account. Make sure you type it carefully so the system can find the correct account. After entering your email, click Next. On the following screen, you'll see the option that says Forgot Password. Go ahead and click that. This is what starts the password recovery process. From here, Zoom will guide you with on-screen prompts. Follow each prompt carefully. In most cases, Zoom will send a password reset email to the address you entered, so be prepared to check your inbox. If you don't see the email right away, give it a moment and also check your spam or junk folder, just in case it was filtered there. When you receive the reset message, open it and follow the instructions provided by Zoom. You'll typically be asked to create a new password. Choose one that is secure, but also easy for you to remember. A strong password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Try to avoid using anything too obvious or something you already use on other accounts. Once you complete the reset steps, return to the Zoom sign-in page and log in using your email and your new password. If everything was entered correctly, you should be able to access your account again. That's all it takes to reset your Zoom password. Take your time with each screen, follow the prompts carefully, and you should be back in your account in just a few minutes.